Hi everyone, here we've got NOKIA C20 and let me share with you how to enable call waiting on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the dialer and let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. It doesn't really matter if you will be on the favorites, recents or contacts. Just three dots icon and settings. Now let's tap on calling accounts and choose your SIM card. And here we have to enter additional settings. And as you can see, in my case, those options are inactive because I've got some problems with my SIM card, but no worries. All you have to do in order to enable the call waiting is to tap on the switcher right here on this option. And if it will be activated, then your device will notify you during another call about the incoming calls. So actually this is it. This is how to enable call waiting in your NOKIA C20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.